4 reasons why you won't grow your lawn care business. What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. So, fam, today I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why you will not grow your lawn care business. But first, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'm just a regular lawn care guy just like you, trying to take my $300,000 business to $500,000 this year. And I'm going to share my ups and downs, my pitfalls, and why I can't cut all this grass by myself. So fam, this is why you're here. 4 reasons why you won't grow your lawn care business. Number 4, you are too afraid to put your clients under contract. Yep, you're saying to yourself, my people won't go for this. And you're right, because you ain't tried to put them on contract, and you're saying that's the business model I want to run. And let me tell you something, you running their business model. Because I'm telling you right now, I still got clients who think they can come over to Cutz Premium Lawn Care and tell me when to cut their grass. No, you don't tell me nothing. You can tell me, hey, can you do this service, and that service? But how I run my business is how I run my business. And I run my business for people who wanting someone to come cut their grass every 2 weeks. That's the minimum that you have to do. Now, believe me, fam, there's a lot of people out there that will tell you, yeah, I want my grass cut every 2 weeks. But a lot of them, if they know that there's nothing you gonna do about it, when they say, hey, skip my yard this week. No, sir. We cut every 2 weeks. Therefore, I put you on the contract. So when you try to skip out, got them. Stop being afraid and put these people on the contract. Number 3, you don't know your niche. Nope, you don't know it. You don't know whether or not you're going to cut a 4-acre lot or a half-an-acre lot. You all over the place. You don't know the price between how much you should charge for that 4 acres and that half-an-acre. Now, if you don't understand that, you cannot grow your business. And believe me, you can ask me what I would charge for 4 acres. Let me tell you what I would charge for 4 acre. Absolutely nothing, because I ain't cutting them. I am not cutting no 4 acres. Pretty much at this point in time, I am stuck on an acre. If your yard is bigger than the acre, I ain't cutting it. Let me tell you what else I'm not cutting. I know, because I know my niche. I ain't cutting no house that's probably worth over $350,000. I know you're saying, why wouldn't I cut a house over $350,000? Well, a lot of times, man, when I get into those neighborhoods, they are really, really nitpicking about their yards. No, I typically cut properties between $150,000 to maybe $250,000, $300,000. I'm telling you, the reason why I do that is because I understand that they're under HOA and they just want their yard done, and they may not have a whole bunch of things. If you got a house with a U driveway and all that other extra fancy stuff, hey, it looks nice, but I don't want to cut your yard, because at the end of the day, I want to know, can I get in and get out without you nitpicking everything around your house? You got mulch here, you got mulch there, you got flowers here. No. So you have to understand your niche. For me, I like cookie cutter houses. They all look the same, a few bushes, done, and we gone. I don't tour with people who I know they got a whole lot of stuff they got to get done. You got to learn how to say no. The number 2 reason why you ain't going to grow your business this year, you won't raise your prices. Yep, you afraid. You scared. Say you scared. I ain't gonna lie to you. I have that same problem. So I'm talking to me too. Man, we got to raise our prices, man. Fam, it's ridiculous that we don't feel like we can raise a price $1, $2. Now, I do have them clients every year. They saying, every year you raise my prices. Well, so is Exxon. So is Shell Gas. They raising my prices every doggone year. So I have to have some form of raise in my prices. So this is what I'm gonna tell you. Put some sense. Put some sense into your quote. Meaning, yeah, if it's gonna be $50 to do it, do $50.95. Do $61.85. You got to add something on each and every year. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a dollar raise across the board. Yep, that's what I gotta do because the prices done went up, and don't be scared. Also, when the heat is on, when you know it's hot, man, I do a $10 upcharge on any type of hedges or any type of thing that's manual. I go $10, $15 upcharge automatically. If I normally charge you $30, well, hey, now it's $45 because it's hot. And we know when it's hot, it wear you out. So don't be afraid. Raise your prices. The number reason why you won't grow your lawn care business this year is because you have no clue on how to employ better people. Nope, you have no clue, and you're not going to figure it out because the people who come are bums, and I'm talking about me too, meaning that I need to get better employing better people, and I'm doing it. I'm trying. I'm raising my rates when it comes to next year. I definitely got to have better base pay, so I'm going to do a better base pay, and one of the things I'm going to focus on next year is absence. I got a lot of guys not coming to work. And what I'm going to do is do a bonus pay through coming to work. That's how it's going to be attached to their base pay. That's what I'm going to do because at the end of the day, I got to get better people in here who can help me grow my business because I can't cut all this grass by myself, fam. And at the end of the day, we need you guys to come on board, especially the guys who are thinking about becoming lawn care pros. Man, come on board. It's so much work out here. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous how much work I turn away. So I'm encouraging you. And all the guys that's been in this business for a minute, and when I say for a minute, 3 or more years, man, raise your prices, get better workers. Let's go out here and kick some butt because at the end of the day, I need to charge my clients based upon the quality that's out here. Okay? All right, fam. I hope this encouraged you to go ahead and get it done. All right. Cut on Lawn Care Family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.